If you're looking for an effective and low-cost way of improving the quality of your life, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to share 5 benefits of journaling that have the potential to help you experiencing some lasting change in your life. Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm a husband, dad, pops, registered counsellor, and certified coach with tons of experience of helping busy professionals to improve mindset, emotional well-being, and performance. And on this channel, I share tips, ideas, and practical tools designed to help you succeed in life. So if you're committed to your ongoing personal development, then you're in the right place. So take a second to just subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos. Also, if as part of your personal growth you'd like more clarity about how you want your life to look in the next few years or so, then download my free 5-step guide to creating your ideal future. I'll put a link to it in the description. So what is journaling? Well, simply put, journaling is the act of keeping a record of your personal thoughts, feelings, insights, and more. And it can be done on paper, a digital device, or it could even be drawn. So because of its simplicity, journaling can be a low-cost way of making sense of your world, reaching your goals, and improving your well-being. And there is real power in journaling. Even if you only manage to journal just occasionally, it can be a powerful practice for increasing self-awareness and emotional intelligence. And though it might look different for everybody, the focus of journaling remains the same. It's about developing a healthy relationship with your mind. And it's here where journaling proves to be so powerful, because research has shown that expressive writing has a positive effect on physical and mental health. But journaling can also help with other things like problem solving and effectively managing stress. So in addition to increasing self-awareness, better managing your stress, and becoming a better problem solver, what are some of the other benefits of you starting a journaling practice? And more importantly, how can writing a journal be a helpful way for improving your quality of life? Well, let's take a look at just 5 of the benefits that you can get from developing a journaling practice as part of your life. Firstly, writing a journal can increase your confidence. You see, in keeping a record of your accomplishments, you'll gather evidence of your ability to do things well. And this can be really helpful in increasing your confidence, because you can turn to this evidence in moments when you're experiencing self-doubt. For example, if you listed just 3 things you believe you've done well each day for a week, by the end of that week, you'd have a list of more than 20 moments that will help you to see where you're more capable than you sometimes feel. And this alone could help to increase your confidence. Secondly, writing a journal can help to increase your self-awareness. You see, the practice of regular journaling has the potential to provide insights about yourself that you might normally miss. And this is because paying attention to your thoughts and emotions can help you to understand them better. Just the act of putting your experiences into words and describing how they make you think and feel can help you to identify blind spots in your perception of events and start to consider alternative viewpoints which might be more helpful to you. Thirdly, writing a journal can help with reducing anxiety. One study found that people who wrote about their feelings over a 12-week period for just 15 minutes, 3 days a week, experienced an increased feeling of well-being. And what this tells us is that journaling is linked to positive mental health, and that regularly writing about how you feel can help to reduce anxiety and give you a more positive outlook on life in general. Now, let's consider just for a minute, how easy could it be to set aside 15 minutes, 3 days a week to write about how you're feeling? My guess is that with a little bit of scheduling and prioritization, it wouldn't be that difficult. Okay, before I share the last 2 benefits of journaling, let me know if you're finding this video helpful by clicking the like button. Your click lets YouTube know I'm offering something of value, so do me a favor and click the like button now. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Right, let's get back to it. The 4th benefit of journaling is that it can help you to heal from current and past events. You see, when journaling, you'll be reflecting on current or past events which you might not ordinarily give the time of day to. But in reflecting on life events, you might come across experiences that were painful. But though painful, journaling about your experiences can help you to heal, because as you put your experiences into words, you'll have an opportunity to come to terms with the feelings attached to your experiences and assess the meaning you've given to each. And this is an important part of the healing process, as the story you tell yourself about your experiences shapes the impact they have on your life and how you view the world and your relationships. In other words, if you attach unhealthy meanings to past events, you're more likely to respond negatively to similar future events and continue to struggle with feelings of anxiety, depression, and poor mental health. So the 5th benefit of writing a journal is that it can make you more grateful. It's probably true for many of us that we can sometimes catch ourselves giving more focus to what we we don't have instead of what we do have. And this might sound something like, I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money, or I don't have enough motivation, for example. But in writing a gratitude journal, this can change, because in journaling about what you're grateful for from day to day, you'll start to focus more on what you have in life rather than on what's missing, which incidentally can do wonders for your well-being. For example, one study found that journal entries which had a focus on gratitude resulted in participants being less materialistic, developing increased resilience, and experiencing improved overall mood. Okay, so there you have it, 5 benefits of journaling that have the potential to improve the quality of your life. Here's a quick recap. 1, journaling can increase confidence. 2, journaling can increase your self-awareness. 3, journaling can reduce your anxiety. 4, journaling can help you heal from past hurts. And 5, journaling can make you more grateful. Right, we've reached the end and I have a question for you. Which of the benefits shared in this video stand out as being most likely to help you? As you know, I love to hear from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or responses in the comments. Also, if you found this video helpful and you'd like to support my channel, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Rooting for you. Be well.